Okay, family, it's supposed to be a tornado today, and we'll keep up with that as the evening progresses. But we wrap the trees with garbage bags so we don't get fungal diseases, too much water, and we moving them into the greenhouse. We might end up doing another greenhouse, y'all, to shade from the weather, extreme weather and the extreme sun. But we're moving everything in. The pollen's so high, y'all. Put your mask on. If you know you got sinuses, put your mask on. In a minute, they'll be calling everything that you go to the hospital for COVID. Alright, y'all. We done pretty much got them all in. We did 3 in the storage. And then we did the rest of them in the greenhouse. So make sure y'all keep y'all mask on, especially if you got allergies like me. It'll save you from taking all this medicine and whatnot. Alright, let's get them on in here. Y'all, we tired. We started this morning putting the garbage bags around it to keep all the water off. Alright, I got it. Well, Big Daddy said, forget that. I got it. Alright. So we got everything in. Except the blackberries. They do pretty good. Kiwi, the frost took all the leaves off the kiwi over there. Everything in the bed, it is what it is. I'm not worried about my potatoes. Broccoli, we finna get ready to pull broccoli. I gotta do a video on broccoli. It just cutting up. Everything else, we're gonna leave it exactly like that. Got some bush beans in, some cauliflower in, and a lot of onions, guys. And I think I'm gonna put watermelon over there. But yep, y'all be safe, be blessed. It is what it is. It's a real spring, y'all. It's a real spring. Trying to save the little plums we do get. Because we covered it up for the water so we wouldn't get all that extra rain inside the buckets. There's something you have to do with your potted plants or you're going to get fungal diseases. But we brought them in because the winds are supposed to be up to 46 miles per hour. So, but that's it. Y'all stay blessed. Peace and blessing. It is finna be a good storm. Blessings and prayers for everyone that is involved. We are on the map tonight again, but it's because of Mother Earth this time. Or tornado. And then it says Shelby Farms. I said that's real close to home. So everything is already done. Mikos is in the L stove for me, y'all, because I had to stop and get me some wine. But everybody is out. Lord, when y'all be driving on these streets, y'all gotta play defense. Just be honest with you. These folks do not know how to drive out here in these streets. Be defense. But pictures of her Gigi house. So we just out cruising for a bruise. I really went out to get some neem oil, but I'm gonna do a little video for y'all because I said in a video or two ago I was gonna tell y'all about my neem drinks, some of it. But I'm finna put a video out this weekend about me. And y'all start doing it now. I'm telling you. But stay tuned. I'm gonna try to make a couple of stops because right now we are we about 8 minutes from the house. We ain't too far. We back on the other end. So stay tuned. Okay, family, so I had to run to Walmart, but look at those clouds, family. And it's getting still. The wind isn't blowing as high as it was. So, okay, family, so this is what it's looking like. And the wind is super duper high. We are like 7 minutes from the house because I had to run to Walmart right quick. But this is what it's looking like. Of course we out here in it because I'm a nature person. I wish I could feel it. My grandma would love the way it feels. She would have the front door open right now. We would be in the hallway with our heads down talking. She'd be like, hush up. That means it's talking too loud, so whisper. Now, family. These fields that I live by, they are already owned, guys. They are owned by farmers who do corn, cotton. Is that it, baby? Most of the farmers that live by us, corn and cotton, y'all. So none of this land that we live by is for sale. Nothing by us is for sale. Everything is already owned. They are not gonna sell their land. But this is literally 7 minutes from our house. And we have fields near our house. Where they done came and took all our deers and took them over there in the other areas. But yep, family, this is what's going on right now. We have already secured the greenhouse the best we could and the trees the best we could. So whatever happens, happens. Stay tuned. Alright, family, so I had to make another stop. Just trying to make sure that we don't go without. But we at the racetrack. And this is like, the racetrack is like 2 minutes from the house. And it's a lot of land out here too, y'all. But look at those clouds. And the wind picking up. Y'all drop a thumbs up if y'all enjoy my little weather videos. I love doing weather videos. Yep, so we're gonna truck on down. Well, we ain't going that way. We're going that way. But it ain't nothing but land over here. And this is 3 minutes from the house, y'all. Literally. Probably 2 minutes from the house. Do we hear race cars at night and all that kind of stuff, y'all? We do. It just don't be super duper loud. It gotta be on one of the crunk nights. We don't go as much as we used to, but we trying to build a legacy, y'all. Alright, stay tuned.